Hello and a very warm welcome. Another challenge. We got original Hungarian spicy snack salami. Look like dog sticks. But it's got 3 up here, 3 of hot. Don't even know if I can get into this. Oh, fucking hell. Smells like pepperoni. It's like... These are going to be hot. 3 of hot. So... with these challenges, make sure you tick the like button. I love doing challenge videos, but of course, these are not that pleasurable for me, so I do appreciate a like. Never ask for likes, but to keep these going, let's taste these. Original Hungarian spicy snack salami, and it's 3 of 4 of hot. Do I eat the bottom bit? Probably not. I'm not going to eat the bottom bit, just in case. Fucking hell, they're hot. Jesus wept. Jesus. That is what I'm eating. It's basically a salami. It's a bit like a sausage. Yeah, 3 of hot. 3 out of 4 spice hotness. I could feel it there where I took my 3rd bite. They're not bad really. They're just salami. And obviously they're a bit spicy and hot. But I've had hotter. Them Doritos were definitely hotter. Maybe if you eat... I've had one. I don't want to eat the stalk on that one because it's got some on the end of it. So we're going to go for another one. See if we eat 2. Maybe it gets hotter. I always feel it's best to just chew. Already I can feel it going in my stomach and it's coming out the other side. Oh shit! Fucking mucky bastard. Hungarian salami kicking in. That wasn't what you think it was. It's my sofa. Very squeaky, you know. Obviously, you know the problems I've had with it, so yeah, quite squeaky. Yeah, I expected these to be raging hot. They're not that bad. 3 out of 4 hotness. I mean, I can feel it. My tongue's pretty much on fire, but I've tasted hotter. The jalapenos, the flaming hot cheese. So there's 2 done. Oh. Yeah, not too bad. I was in Sainsbury's, I came across these. I don't know why. But it had like a slogan on saying hot, so I got them. But yeah, I think it's a bit misleading. 3 out of 4 hotness. And I've just eaten 2, and you know I don't like hot food at all. I think we've done the challenge well. I might be on the toilet though later. Fucking hell. Jesus. Literally I ate 1 and it was coming up already. Bloody hell. So yeah, don't really know what to make of them. I mean they are hot, but not like I need a drink. I've not even had a drink, so that pretty much tells you everything you need to know about these. But I'm burping, I'm going the other end, so I mean, what's even in these ingredients? Pork fat, hot paprika, well, we've had them before, chili, caraway, what's that? Don't know what that is, garlic. Gotta admit, them ingredients look awful. 15 for the 9th. What date are we on today? 2nd, as I record this. Yeah, don't really know what to make of these. I don't like the look of that one. It's got like a stalk on the end of it. So is that one. I think we might call it a day there, to be honest. Yeah, it's pepperoni. I mean, I could snap it off, to be fair. I don't want to eat the end. Don't want the stalk, man. So yeah, I think we'll do one more for good luck. Yeah, let me know. Have you ever tried these? I saw them in Sainsbury's. They said hot, must try. 3 out of 4. And I've not even drunk water. But I'm burping a lot. Yeah, gonna put these ones back in the bag. So we had 4. We had 4. We've eaten 3, and they're fine. They're fine. Honestly, they weren't hot. I mean, they were hot, but not like jalapeno. Dorito Flaming Crisps. I mean, I have a drink now. But you can tell when it's hot, really spicy, because you're drinking. I would have to give them, taste-wise, they're actually not too bad. I give them a 6. I think the packet's a bit misleading though. I actually don't think they were too hot. Of course, you get the burning sensation, but once I had a couple, didn't really exist. So yeah, 6 out of 10 for taste, but I was a bit disappointed. I was expecting a challenge, something hot. I mean, I don't want to do the Carolina Reaper. I know that's hot, but like I genuinely probably will be sick. So I'm not gonna make myself ill doing challenges. That is one thing with these though, burping, belching, coming out the other end. Oh, I could be in trouble later on. Thanks for watching. Adios. Adios.